Although blenders are often associated with smoothie making, they're versatile and handy tools in any chef's kitchen. An immersion blender, for example, is well suited for blending hot food directly into your pot to make soup. In comparison, a personal blender can be a good choice for those looking to take their single-serve blends with them on the go. Finally, full-size blenders can hold much more food than other types of blenders, so they're generally more suitable for large families or professional use. There are many products available to choose best 5 blenders, each with different characteristics, benefits, and prices. To help you make an informed decision, I did extensive research, read tons of reviews, and compiled a list of the best 5 blenders from reputable brands. After much research, I found these products much helpful for people like you. If you want to know about the price and other information, be sure to check my description. So without any further delay, let's jump into the video. Number 1. Oster Blender Pro 12.0. The best budget blender we've tested is the Oster Pro 12.0. It's a relatively compact full-size blender, which is nice if you have limited space in your kitchen. It comes with a 48-ounce glass main jar and a 24-ounce plastic cup for single serves. It has 3 preset modes and some timed programs, including smoothie, green smoothie, and food chop, salsa. It can handle tougher tasks like making almond butter, and you can use the main jar for blending hot ingredients and making bar-quality crushed ice. Using the smaller jar, it can incorporate ingredients like kale into well-blended smoothies. There's a resealable lid included for the personal jar, so you can easily bring your smoothie on the go. Unfortunately, it isn't extremely well built, and its gear design may not be very durable. The blade assembly is held onto the jars with a rubber gasket, making it easy to take apart, but meaning you can't use the blender if you misplace the gasket. Otherwise, if you're looking for an affordable blender for multi-purpose use, it's a good choice. Number 2. Ninja Foodie Power Nutri Duo. The best personal blender we've tested is the Ninja Foodie Power Nutri Duo. This personal blender has a short, compact motor base, so it easily fits in a cupboard or under a cabinet on your kitchen counter. It has good build quality and comes with a pair of 24-ounce personal jars with resealable lids and a 14-ounce bowl intended for making thicker mixtures. While you can't use it for hot blending, it's a very versatile machine otherwise. Using any of its jars, it makes superb, silky smoothies with ingredients like leafy greens and chunks of frozen fruit. The 14-ounce Power Nutri Bowl has rotating arms inside of it that help push ingredients into contact with the blades, and it does a fantastic job of making almond butter. It can also whip up snow-like crushed ice for frozen drinks and cocktails. Number 3. Ninja Blender Duo with Auto IQ BL642. The Ninja Blender Duo with Auto IQ BL642 is the best smoothie blender we've tested. This sturdy full-size blender is particularly well suited for smoothies since it comes with 3 jars that produce silky, well-blended drinks with ingredients like frozen fruits and kale. There's a resealable lid for each one, so you can easily blend a personal smoothie to go. The smaller personal jars tend to produce silkier purees with fibrous ingredients, but you can also blend an acceptable green smoothie in the main jar. Like most Ninja blenders, the main pitcher is also fantastic for ice crushing. However, it has very sharp blades compared to models from other manufacturers, like Vitamix or KitchenAid, so you need to be careful not to cut yourself if you clean them by hand. The blender itself is also pretty big, especially compared to personal blenders meant for smoothie making, so it takes up some space on your counter or in a cupboard. Otherwise, it's a very good option for single-serve smoothies that also comes with a 72-ounce jar for when you need a full-size blender. Number 4. KitchenAid K150. The KitchenAid K150 is the best kitchen blender for under $200 that we've tested. This blender's motor base has metal gears and feels very sturdy. It comes with a 48-ounce jar that you can use to make smooth, spreadable almond butter and bar-quality crushed ice. It can also process hot ingredients like cooked vegetables for soups. It should fit under a cabinet on your counter even with the jar in place, and all of its parts are dishwasher safe. It makes a somewhat grainy puree with fibrous ingredients, which might bother you if you like to add ingredients like kale to your smoothies. It also only comes with 1 jar, unlike some full-size blenders that come with personal jars that are better for single-serve smoothies. There's no tamper included either, though the jar's 2-part lid does allow you to pour in ingredients mid-blend. That said, you can buy accessories separately from KitchenAid, including a tamper and personal jars. Number 5. Vitamix A2500. The best blender that we've tested is the Vitamix A2500. This very well-built blender has a dial with 10 speed settings and a 64-ounce main jar with a 2-part lid, so you can use the tamper or add ingredients mid-blend. Its versatile performance makes it a superb choice for multi-purpose use. You can use it to make snow like crushed ice, smooth, spreadable almond butter, and amazing smoothies. It has a few preset modes for different recipes, including one for soups that heats your ingredients with friction. Its 10-year US warranty is much longer than most blenders we've tested, though it may not apply depending on where you live and where you buy your blender. Unfortunately, the digital timer acts as a stopwatch and displays how long you've been blending instead of stopping the machine after a set period. Also, unlike many full-size blenders, it doesn't come with any extra attachments like a food processing bowl or personal jars. However, you can purchase those extras separately from Vitamix. That's all from my end. I make helpful videos daily, so do subscribe to my channel and hit the bell notification to get more information, or if you want to know the product price, please do check my description. For any kind of problem, please comment below so I can help you further. Life is short, so enjoy every bit of your life with our cool product, as it's going to make your life much easier. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.